Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a low-cost, healthy oats smoothie recipe made without dairy milk or refined sugar. Ideal as a filling and nutrient-dense breakfast smoothie in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a small bowl, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons old-fashioned rolled oats. I prefer to use old-fashioned rolled oats as it is less refined and has more fiber. Add in some water and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, it's ideal to soak or roast oats before using them to remove the phytic acid content in oats. If you have noticed having digestive issues when consuming oats, you may soak it a bit longer or you can even soak it overnight. It's about 15 minutes now and the oats are nicely soaked. I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and then add it onto a strainer. I have added the rinsed oats onto a strainer. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup of water. Add in 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, the strained and rinsed oats. Chia seeds and flax seeds gives the much needed omega-3 healthy fats, fiber and protein. A small piece of cinnamon. Instead of cinnamon stick, you can use 1/4 of cinnamon powder. 7 overnight soaked and peeled almonds. 1/4 teaspoon dry ginger powder. This will help with digestion and also gives a subtle flavor to the smoothie. Half cup papaya cubes. Half of a banana frozen. What I've done is I sliced the banana and then kept it overnight in the freezer. This way you will get a slightly thicker and creamier smoothie. However, this step is entirely optional. You can use half fresh banana instead. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. Medjool dates are really soft, hence I like to use them in my recipes. However, if the dates you are using is not soft like mine, you may need to soak it in water for about 10 minutes and then add it into the blender jar. And I'm going to blend all this really well. Pour the thick and creamy oat smoothie into a serving glass. I'm garnishing it with chopped papaya cubes. And my super healthy oats smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, you try this healthy oats smoothie and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.